What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can claim the PENGU token airdrop through your Phantom wallet. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now first off, just go ahead and open up your Phantom wallet. And once your wallet loads, you will be able to see if you are eligible for the PENGU token airdrop. So if you are eligible, you will see this notification right here. Now from here, to claim the airdrop, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this notification. And that will lead you to the airdrop claim page right here. So for the best claim experience, they recommend using desktop, but for this example we will go through our phone Phantom wallet. And in the next video I will show you how you can claim it through desktop. So to continue, just go ahead and click continue on mobile. And now you would need to connect your wallet to claim the airdrop. So just go ahead and click link Sol wallet right here. And select your Phantom wallet. Now here you need to confirm the connection by just clicking confirm. And now you of course need to sign the message for the confirmation. So just go ahead and click confirm again. And there we go. Our wallet has been connected and we can see if we are eligible for the airdrop. So as you can see, it says that I can claim about 3000 of PENGU tokens. So here, if you have a Ledger or any other wallets, you can connect them to this site also. But for this example, we will just continue with this wallet, and in the next one, we will connect our second wallet. So from this page, once you see if you're eligible, you just need to scroll down and click continue to claim right here. So now once you connected all of your wallets, you would need to connect a wallet to which you want the airdrop tokens be sent to. So I want to receive my airdrop tokens to this wallet that I already connected for the airdrop eligibility checker. So I will just connect that wallet again by just pressing connect wallet and selecting the Phantom wallet. Now here you can see the name of your wallet, so this is the wallet that I want to connect. So I just need to go through the sign-in process again by just clicking confirm. And then claim your PENGU button will load. So to claim it, just go ahead and click claim your PENGU. So then this screen will load, on which they give you an option to link the wallets and create a public connection. So I will just skip this for now. And now we would need to confirm the actual transaction for the PENGU airdrop. So just go ahead and click confirm once this window loads. And there we go. The transaction was confirmed. Now once you see that the transaction was confirmed, you can exit this and you can come back to your Phantom wallet and see if the tokens are here. And there we go. Here are the Pudgy Penguins tokens that we just claimed from the airdrop. So that's guys how you can claim the Pudgy Penguins PENGU airdrop using your phone through the Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.